Hey guys and girls, it's Easter Monday 2020. We're in the middle of this coronavirus pandemic, so I hope that you, your family, your friends, everyone around you staying safe. So today just wanted to do a quick video on protecting your boots. So the boots that I have here, they're Timberland Pros. I've had them for over 2 years. I wear them every single day. Not 8 hours a day, but I wear them enough. You can see they're still in good shape, and one of the reasons why they're in good shape, Dubbin. So there's Dubbin and there's synthetic Dubbin, but basically what it is it's an oil or a grease that can be used to protect waterproof conditioned boots. It's great stuff. I don't think this was any more than $10. I've had this container here for it got to be 5-6 years, and you can see I can get this apart. I've maybe used a quarter of it. Let's say even a third for 5-6 years. So great stuff. And the little bits and discoloration you see in there is actually the leather color and little bits of leather that have gotten picked up. The one that I have, it comes with a sponge. There's no tricks to this. What I did before this was basically scrubbed off all the dirt that was on there and mud, and I took some soap and water, I washed it down, scrubbed it, let it dry for a couple days. You could put it outside to make it dry faster, but I had time being the Easter weekend, so I just let it sit and dry. What I do is I tuck the shoelaces inside the boot so that they're not getting in the way. You basically take the applicator. You can see there's just a little bit on there. You just basically rub it right in. You can see how it's changing the color of the boot, and depending on what color of boot you have, and the condition and the age of the leather, it'll change the colors a little bit different. But yeah, you're basically going to do this on the entire boot. Make sure that you get down into the little crevices and nooks and crannies, or whatever you want to call it. And there'll be just a little bit of excess that's on there. Don't worry about it. Most of it will soak in, and the stuff that doesn't, it'll actually get basically soaked up when you're out there kind of rubbing up against mud and water and everything. The excess will basically take care of itself. I like to get every bit of leather that's on this. There's a little bit of suede at the top that I don't typically worry about, but this way you're waterproofing everything, and you're protecting all the leather. And that's it. Dubbin. It can be found at any home hardware, Home Depot, Canadian Tire, Lowe's, Walmart, any kind of store that sells footwear, or any kind of big box hardware store will have this kind of stuff. So if you guys found the video informative, helpful, maybe think about giving it a thumbs up. You didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in those comments. Think about hitting that subscribe button right down there. I'm adding content quite regularly. Just depends on the day, the week. Could be stuff like this. Could be coronavirus related. Could be maintenance around the house. Could be working on your car. Could be all kinds of stuff. So hope you found it informative. Any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll get back to you. Until the next video, take it easy, guys and girls. Stay safe.